Now in the last video we have just started the HTML basics. Now this document type HTML, this document is an HTML, like our first file. You already know that. Now we will see HTML elements. And also there is one important thing I missed to tell you. HTML can characterize the text based on heading. If you type H1, it says this is heading 1. And in the previous tutorial, if you have written as a H2, it will consider the heading with second priority. And I will refresh the text. You see the text size is decreased. So H1 to H6, there are different heading with different size. Also, instead of H1, if you have written as P, then it will consider as a paragraph. And you can see paragraphs will not be bold and it have a regular size. Then link. You can link any web address to a text using anchor tag A. I will show you how. In the previous tag, I will remove everything within the HTML and write A, small letter A. Then I will close this one. So inside the A, I will write this is a link to another website, and it has been saved. And when I refresh here, this is not yet a link now because there is no link to a website. To link a website, we have to write href and the website link. We can, inside the A tag, we have to write href is equal to double semicolon. Then we have to write the link of the website. For example, if you want to write a Twitter, now we are in the Twitter. I just press here, Control C, copy. I copied the Twitter link. Then I paste the link of the Twitter here in the href link section. HTTPS to Twitter. So this is a link to another website. This text will display it. I saved it and refresh. Now you can see text color change. And if I press here, then the website is redirected to Twitter. This is how you can load links to website. Then HTML images. Like to load an image, you can use img. Also note, img tag never have a closure. So I will show you this. I will remove the anchor tag and I write img and I close it. Okay. Like also note, img does not have a closure like img. This is wrong. Img is just a tag. It does not have a closure. And if we want to load an image, we have to write src equal to double exclamation mark. Now inside of it, we have to insert the link of the images or anything. For example, I will download a free image from website. Free image. Okay, this image I will save in the my saved images. Also note, I am going to save the images in the working directory. In the desktop, we are working in for HTML tutorial folder. I will save here the flower. So in the desktop, we have another file known as flower. Close this and open the editor. You see, inside the folder, we have two files. It's been here. Source is equal to name of the photo. It is flower.jpg. And we go and refresh. Now you see the flower image has been loaded. Now we will see about HTML elements. HTML, like we see, we have heading, paragraph, everything. So everything is known. These are known as tag name. Tag name open, and any content can be written here, and tag name should be closed. Okay. Now we will see HTML attributes. Like we say before, this anchor tag where we linked our text to another website. This is an attribute. It is been given to this text. Also, image is loaded using source attribute. Like most of the HTML components have attributes. Then width and height attribute. In the image, we will try ourselves. We can mention width and height. So here they have given 500. I will make it to 50 and see. You see the image size is decreased. I make it to 5000. Now it is exponentially increased. So we can set the height and width of an image using width and height property. Also, the next point is alt. Alt means in an image. Suppose you have a website and it have a photo, but the Google, Bing, Yahoo, when they goes to your website, it will not understand what it is, because those search engine cannot read the photos. So we have to help them by writing ALT, alternative text. So here we will write this is a flower. So the search engine will understand that this is a flower. Google will understand that this is a flower. Also, this will help when the connection between user and server computer is down. I will wrongly write the flower name HH like that and refresh the browser. We can see the image is broken. Maybe the network problem, but the alt text come for the help. It will help the user to understand that this is a flower. Now, every HTML element can be styled using the style attribute. We can change the color, size, font family, everything here. You see here the paragraph tag is open close, and we have instead the styled attribute style. So it's a color. It is being written as red, so the text become red. If it is blue, the text become blue. So we can change the color. Also, the language can be mentioned. HTML language is equal to EN, means English. You can mention your regional language if you like. See, then another point is helper text. When I hover the mouse over the text, it will show a help text. It say I am a tooltip. In any element, if you write title is equal to something, then we hover over it, then it will be displayed. So these are the main attributes. We will see about the other element, other components in the later tutorials.